Make money online without spending a dollar. So in this video I'm gonna show you completely different method to make money online, and that method you never seen before on the internet. So this video is for beginners. So before I'm gonna start this video, make sure you guys must subscribe Hustlers Club, hit the bell icon, and let's get started this video. So right now you guys can see I am in SimilarWeb, and today we're gonna use this website, and you guys can see this website is getting 6.8 billion monthly visits. So it's a really big website. A lot of people know about this website, but very few people use this website to make money online. I don't know why, but very few people use. And if you scroll down, I'm going to show you that website, but before I'm going to show you the last 3 months visits, like 6.8 billion, 7 billion, 6.8 billion visits a month. So it's a really big website. I told you a lot of people know about this website, but very few people using this website to make money online. You guys can see the traffic sources is first is United States, Japan, United Kingdom, Brazil, Canada, and then 46% rest of the world. So let's go first. I'm going to show you that website. So this website is called twitter.com. Like I told you, a lot of people know about Twitter, but very few people use Twitter to make money online. So in this video I'm going to show you how we're going to promote our affiliate offer and make money with Twitter. So before we're going to go and promote our offer, we need an offer to promote, right? So let's go. First we're going to select an offer. So right now you guys can see I am in ClickBank, and first I'm in ClickBank Marketplace. First I'm going to select an offer. So I'm going to select a specific niche. That niche is like e-marketing and e-business. This is known as make money online niche, and this kind of niches converts really well. So click this. So once you click on e-marketing and e-business, you guys can find a lot of make money related offers. You guys can see here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select offer today is like get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And you guys can see this is the most popular and most converting offer right now in ClickBank and e-marketing niche. You guys can see the highest gravity is like 283, and you guys can see also rebilling offer like $53 rebilling recurring offer every single month without doing anything, and average commission is like $30. So we go with like little bit low ticket offer because we are using completely free method. That's why we use this strategy. Okay, we use a low ticket offer. That's why we use low ticket offer. So quickly I'm going to show you the sales page. So right now you guys can see so this is the sales page of this offer, like online social media jobs that pays $25 to $50 per hour, no experience required, work at home. So you guys can see if anyone start quiz, they will complete the quiz and they will redirect to the sales page. Okay, so we go back, and now I'm gonna open the affiliate page because you will find a lot of things in this affiliate page. So this is the affiliate page. You guys can see that a vendor provides you every single thing that you need. Okay, literally every single thing. For example, I'm gonna click on this. So we need images, so you guys can literally copy these images if you want. You guys can easily download these images. Okay, so we go back, simply click promote, get your affiliate link, and save in your notepad. So once you've got your affiliate link, then our next step is we go to this website, and this website is called beacons.ai. I show you this website a lot of the times because it's completely free, first of all, and second, we need a simple basic landing page because nowadays no website allow you to do direct affiliate links in their website. So that's why we need a simple basic landing page. That's why I'm gonna use beacons.ai, and it's completely free. I show you the pricing a lot of the times in my previous videos. You guys can see there are two plans, like creator for free and entrepreneur for $10. So you go with like free. So I have my account. Quickly I'm gonna log in, and then I'm gonna show you what are we gonna do next. Okay, so right now you guys can see I am logging in my beacons.ai account. You guys can log in first time or anytime. You guys can see exactly same page. Okay, so this is my header. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a link. So if you're not seeing your header here, you guys simply click add a block. If you're not seeing header, for example, if you scroll all the way down, you guys can see layout. This is the header. You guys click add, and this header will be added. Okay, if you scroll up, but right now I need only links. You guys can do a lot of things in beacons.ai for completely free. You guys can add videos, Twitch videos, Twitter tweets, and a lot of stuff, but I only need a link. Simply click add, and once you add it, now you guys can select layouts. So there's a lot of things, there's a lot of creativity you guys can do in this beacons.ai, but I'm gonna only use simple and classic one because I need simplicity. If you scroll down, and now I'm gonna click on add new link, and now in here I'm gonna paste my call to action or like title, and in here I'm gonna paste my affiliate link. So give me a second. So right now you guys can see I paste my like headline, like online social media jobs that pay $25 to $50 per hour, and that's my ClickBank affiliate link, right? So it's done. Now scroll up and you guys simply click back. So now you guys can see how my landing page will look like. If anyone click on this link, they will redirect to this page. You guys can also able to change this like you call it headline. I click this right now. You guys can see header is open. If you scroll down, you guys can easily change this name from like here easily. So I'm gonna go with like money mines. It's okay. You guys can also able to change the shapes and images, so it's super simple like everybody know. So you guys can also change the backgrounds if you want. You guys go to designing. I show you a lot of the times. You guys, I told you go and explore yourself. I'm not gonna show you how to do this designing your landing page. I'm just show you the basic procedure. Okay, so you guys can go and explore yourself. So I'm gonna use this kind of simple basic landing page with black background, and this is my link and my headline. Okay, so my name, head name, sorry. So I'm gonna click share, and you guys can see beacons.ai/midas money, sorry. Copy this. Once you copy this, now we're gonna go and promote this link. So let's go. Right now you guys can see I am in twitter.com. So I am logging in my Twitter account, like I assume like everybody have Twitter account. Once you open, you guys simply click on this in your simple basic post. First, I'm gonna upload an image. So you guys can see I uploaded this image, like $180 per day for uploading stories on Instagram. You guys can upload any image related to this kind of like we give you $80, $50, this kind of images. But to be honest, I literally download this image from this social, like the affiliate page of that offer. You guys can see that is the image I downloaded, and I uploaded in my you call it Twitter account. So now in here I'm gonna add my small ad copy. Quickly I'm gonna copy and paste, and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, right now you guys can see that's my ad copy. Like we are hiring people who can manage our social media accounts and upload pre-made content. We are paying $20 to $50 an hour. If you're interested, then click the link and check the availability. Click here. So in here I'm gonna paste my beacons.ai link like this. And once you did this, then you guys simply click tweet. So once you click tweet, now you guys can see how your post will look like. So first thing is you are able to getting traffic, but that traffic is not a lot of traffic. Very few people go to your link. But I'm gonna show you how you guys can drive a lot of traffic to your affiliate, this link. Okay, so I'm gonna show you that procedure. Basically this is your ad, or you like post, whatever you call, I'm gonna calling it, that's my ad right now, and I'm gonna show you how you guys can drive a lot of traffic to this link. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna show you how. So let's go to the next website. With that website we're gonna promote our this post. So let's go. So right now you guys can see I am in this website, and this website is called likeforlike.org. So once you came to this website looks like this. I'm gonna give you a link in the description, or you guys directly go to this website. Once you came to this website, what you guys can do, simply click register your account. It's super simple to register. Like add your name, username, password, retype password, your email, and again type your email, agree, and say like I'm not a robot, and simply click submit. You will receive one verification email. You click this, your email is verified, and your account will be created. It's super simple. So I have my account. I'm gonna log in, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Okay, so right now you guys can see I am logging in my likeforlike.org account. So once you log in or sign up or log in first time, you guys can see this kind of page. So the number one thing I'm gonna tell you in this website, first thing, we need credit. So there are two ways to get credits. First is you guys can easily click on buy credits. You're also able to buy credits. You guys can see here. So these are the pricing, like in nearly $5 you're able to get 1,000 credits. Like in $19 you're able, $20, nearly $20 you're able to get like 5,000 credits. So I know a lot of people don't want to buy credits, so I'm gonna show you the second method how you guys can earn credits. Okay, so you guys can see free credits. So there is a lot of services you guys can earn credits from these services, and I'm going to show you how. For example, I'm going to click on Facebook likes, click this, and once you came here, now you guys can see I have only 32 credits right now, right? So now they will give you this kind of post, like say click the button, click the like button, like it on the Facebook, and click confirm button. So these are the 3 steps basically. So for example, I'm gonna click on this like button. Make sure your Facebook account is logged in, okay, if you're doing this kind of services. So now you guys can see that is the like page. I'm gonna click like. So once I liked it, then I'm gonna scroll down and scroll up one time like this, and I'm gonna close this, and now you guys can see still 32 like credits. I'm gonna click confirm, and you guys can see it's 37 credits. So this is how you guys can earn credits with just simply do this kind of like pages and photos. And the second way is like you guys can also earn credits through different services like Facebook, like follow people on Instagram, like watch the videos on Facebook, or like YouTube videos. For example, I'm gonna click on like YouTube, and you guys can see that person gives us 3 credit if you like the YouTube video. For example, I'm gonna click on like. Make sure if you're doing this, you are signed in your Google account, okay? So you guys can see that's the video. I'm gonna like on this video quickly, close this. So now you guys can see it's 11,000 likes. So you guys can see this is how these big YouTube channel is just getting like not a fake likes, to be honest. I am not interested, but still I'm gonna like this video like this, and I'm gonna close this. And now you guys can see I'm gonna click confirm, and you guys can see it's 40 credits. So this is how you guys can earn credits. So before I'm gonna show you like how you guys can promote your like Twitter post, I'm gonna tell you one thing, and that is very important. If you're going to create a campaign, right now we are going to create a campaign, but before you guys go and create a campaign, I highly suggest first you guys can at least earn 3,000 credits, because if you have 3,000 credits, then you guys can smoothly drive a lot of traffic, and then you are able to generate sales, okay? First you guys must earn at least 3,000 credits with this free method, okay? So now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna promote our Twitter post and how we're gonna promote our affiliate offer. So you guys simply click on add manage pages. Once you click this, now you guys can select a feature. So there is a lot of ways. So there is a lot of services, so right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll all the way down, and you guys can see Twitter retweets. So once you click on Twitter retweets, remember this, Twitter retweets means these people will share your post on Twitter, okay? Remember this, retweet means basically share. So if you scroll down, now you guys can see in here what we're gonna do is we're gonna literally copy and paste our Twitter link. So we go back, this is our post. I'm gonna click on my post, and I'm gonna copy this link, and I'm gonna came back, and I'm gonna literally paste that link here. Once you paste that link here, that's you guys can see Twitter URL required. So now in here, how many credits you want to give these people to share your tweet. So for example, 4, 5, 3, it's completely up to you. For example, I'm gonna go with like 5 credits, and you guys simply click submit. So once you click submit, you know what will happen. A lot of people will go and retweet your post. And what will happen, retweet means like share your post. In this way, what will happen, like they will start sharing your post. A lot of people are seeing, their family members, followers, everyone is start seeing your post, and in this way you will start getting a lot of traffic for completely free, okay? So once you add this, simply click submit. So once you click submit, now you guys can scroll down, and before I'm going to show you one thing, you guys can see it says like Twitter heavily remove user profiles. You can lose over 80% of interaction you get. Yes, it says yes, but if any bot doing this, then you will lose 80% of interaction. But if real person does, you will not lose your interaction. Remember this, okay? And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna scroll down, and you guys can see one more thing is like geo-targeting. Our campaign is done, but I'm gonna click this, and I'm gonna only target. So from here we're gonna target specific countries, like I'm gonna target United States, and second is like United Kingdom. First is United Kingdom, and where is United States? and you guys can see this is United States. I'm gonna only target United Kingdom and United States. It means only these two country people will retweet my post. In this way, what will happen, only US and UK traffic will drive to my offer. Okay, so once you did this, then you guys simply click check all, uncheck all. And once you did this, now you guys scroll down and simply click save. So now you guys can see we did custom. In this way, now what will happen, we are start getting high quality traffic from Twitter for completely free. Okay, so now you guys can see if I scroll down and literally in front of you, one person literally retweet my post, and you guys can see what it says, like stats 1, and you guys can see $5, 5 you call it 5 credit is cut down. So that's why I tell you, you guys must earn at least 3,000 or maximum 5,000 credit to run your first campaign. In this way, your campaign will show you results. If you have like 300-400 credits, to be honest, you will not be able to see good results. You must need at least 3,000 to 5,000 credits, then you guys can run this campaign, then you will able to see really good results. Okay, with this method, you guys can make decent amount of money per month without spending $1. So make sure you guys must try that strategy. It's completely free. So remember, one thing is, before you guys go and start running the campaign, I highly suggest you guys must earn at least 3,000 to 5,000 credits first. Then you guys go and run the campaign, then you will see results. Okay, and if you want to make $0 up to $10,000 or $20,000 a month and generate your first sale in just 24 to 72 hours, then join our affiliate begins program that's specially designed for beginners. A link in the description, go and check it out.